Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So here I am in front of you in this video because I came across one thing and I felt that I should make a video on this because this may help someone specific or even a lot of people. And as you all know that I'm into spirituality, I am a tarot reader, and yes, at times, you know, now it's been almost 5 years that I'm in this field, and a lot of different kind of readings have came to me till now. Other than readings, at times people whom I get connected with as friends also, like even at times when I get close to them also, not everyone but a few of them, they share their experiences, current one or past one. This shows that all different kind of people are facing issues and all, and one such thing came into my notice and I felt I should make a video on this. And this especially is for those who are actually tagged, or maybe you are introverts, maybe this can help you all. And people who think like this person is an introvert or whatsoever. So let me start. So guys, you all might be knowing, and even if you are introvert watching this video, you might be knowing that, like, even with time, when I came into spirituality, now even I have become an introvert. And so I would say that we introverts are usually tagged as someone very egoistic, someone having a lot of attitude, a lot of time, because we speak less, we talk less, we maybe even socialize less. Not each and everyone, but some of them do not prefer socializing much or talking much or whatsoever. They prefer their own privacy, they prefer their own time, their own space and all everything, right? So but what people take it as, this person is having so much of attitude, this person seems to be so egoistic, or like this person has so much of pride and all that, comment and all type of words people will use, right? Looking at their outer experiences, and even if they see they are socializing with someone, they will be like, this person only socializes with somebody or with those specific people only, and otherwise this person doesn't like to make friendship with new people also. And I have experienced basically that people judge us in a very negative way. So here I wanted to tell one thing, that came in front of me. Even though people feel that we introverts are like this, do you know that what we are going through? Do you know our life personally? Do you know our struggles or whatsoever? And even if you feel that we are such, do you know, like, what we have experienced, or what we are experiences, what has made us introvert? Some of them are not introvert, but with time they become introvert. Some of them, they from outside they feel that they are very proudy type, they are so egoistic, they have so much of attitude, but that is not the thing. If you try to know these people closely, you will understand, no, these people are not like this. That's the thing. And even if these introverts, they mix up, they get socialized with particular specific people, they know very well that this person is not like this. So the thing is that, being an introvert, I can tell one thing, that we introverts, we talk very less, we interact very less, we socialize quite less. So we become more and more observant. Like when there is social gathering and there are a lot of people, there is a crowd and all everything, we become very observant, and we literally understand like whom to give our energy access to. That's the thing. So if you are someone, if you feel that this person is so and so, this and that, and you are trying to defame us in front of some third person also, then please, I would like to tell the person who tries to defame, now this is for everyone, this is in general, that you made us behave like this in such a way with you, because you had maybe, I would say, crossed your boundaries, or your behavior was such that we had to show you that we are egoistic or we are in that attitude. जबकि हम ऐसे नहीं हैं, हम ऐसे नहीं थे. Like here I would like to mention one thing, guys, that if you feel that this person is like this, like that, and all whatever I said, that how we introverts attacked us, then please look at yourself. This is what I would say. Being an deep observant of people, I would literally say that, at least from my side, I would say that I know, like, with whom to socialize with whom should I interact more, who is trustworthy. We do understand that. So make it a point that it's not that we are ghamandi or we are egoistic or we are attitude wale or so. That is because you made us show like this. Another thing in this all particular introvert thing, I would like to add one more thing, that now these people who feel that we are egoistic, this and that, they will try to defame us to 10 more people, those 10 more people who don't even know us very well. Okay, and those people then will agree to it. Okay, this person is saying so much, then this can be the true. Why? Because this person knows this introvert person quite well, because this person knows, maybe is relative or a very close one to this introvert person, so how can that person lie also? So my now second message is for people who are believing in these people, like someone is just defaming introvert people and you are believing in it. Now this message is for you, and the message is, please wake up, jaag jao. Times are not the same that were in the past, in earlier ages, in earlier generation. Nowadays, you will find very less genuinely true well wishers in this era, in this generation. Rest all are literally jealous on each other. This is what I would say. They are just pretending to like they are well wishers of yours or of that people or of that introvert person or so and so. So please wake up, guys. Like, please do not trust on any damn people. Like, maybe this person may just say that I know this person very well, बट डू यू नो देयर एक्चुअल लाइफ, गाइस? कोई बोलने के लिए कुछ भी बोल सकता है यार, क्योंकि किसी को किसी से जलन है इसलिए बस बोल रहा है, अरे मैं इसको बहुत अच्छे से जानती हूँ, मैं इसे बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ, ये ऐसा ही है वैसा ही है, तो दूर रहना, ये वो. Anybody can say any damn thing, yaar. But it should be your call that unless and until I don't get such an experience from this person, how can I believe someone third person telling me about anybody? थोड़ा सोचो ना यार. Please give a thought on this. Like, nobody's forcing you कि now that you are friends with that introvert person, okay, so now you have to be in relationship with that person, or you need to be engaged, or you need to get married, or whatsoever it is, if you are of opposite sex. This is what I would say. Nobody's forcing you for that. Okay, so you can stay friends and you can try and get to know how that person it is. Maybe you may come across very good friendship, a good bond, just because some third person is telling you about someone, anything damn thing, anything what they feel, what they have maybe experienced or even not even experienced, just to separate, just to keep you separated from that person. You may miss out a very good golden opportunity. This is what I would say. I hope now this message is somewhat useful to you. This is what I would say. Reason why I made this video is because I came across such a guidance, I would say, where literally a person is stuck from years, literally, that this person tried initiated towards someone, and when found out, we got to know that the person towards whom this person initiated, who came towards me, isn't some sort of big misunderstanding that this person is like this, like that, blah blah blah, and everything. And this person said to me that I am an introvert and all, and that is why a lot of time people do judge that I have attitude, I have this, I have that, and all. But talking to this person, I didn't feel so. Like when I sensed the energies of this person, I didn't feel this person is as it was shown to the world. This is what I would say. Well, guys, I would say it is not very easy to find out. Like, if someone is telling you about some third person and you're interested in that third person, now this can be just in friendship also, or it can be a love interest, anything. But you are interested in that person in some or the other way, and someone is talking bad about that person. It is very difficult to find out for some of them that this person who is telling us something is a well wisher or whatsoever it is. But I can just tell you one thing over here, one damn solution over here is, guys, please yaar, matlab, you see the generation, like nowadays nobody listens to anybody. And where are you भाई, कौन से ज़माने में जी रहे हो? This is what I would say. अरे भाई जाओ जाके खुद से बात करो ना, उस बंदे से उस बंदी से, तभी तो जाके पता चलेगा कि भाई सच में वो वैसा है या वैसी है। और भाई तुम्हें कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं कर रहा कि तुम्हें उसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में आना है, उसके साथ सगाई करनी है, शादी करनी है। नो गाइस, ऐसा कोई नहीं आपको फोर्स कर रहा भाई। बस फ्रेंड्स रह के भी तो आपको एक क्लैरिटी मिल सकती है ना, हाउ दैट पर्सन इज़। मतलब दिस इज़ द ओनली solution that I'm seeing over here. Maybe you are being very hesitant to approach or revert that person because you have experienced something in your past. But guys, being into spiritual field, I would say that maybe you had a lesson with that past person. Maybe you had your past karma with that person and hence you got that experience. Doesn't mean that each and every person will be like this. And guys, let me tell you one thing pretty frankly. I have came across these type of readings also, where people are literally facing some of the issues in their married life or in their committed relationship life or so whatsoever it is, especially married life. And from past few years I have seen this, and I have seen one pattern. I asked them one thing, like शादी करने से पहले, सगाई होने से पहले, when you were dating or so whatsoever, didn't you ever sense it that there is something wrong or something? Because what I feel, according to me, whatever you're going through, universe and divine energies always give you the red flags, especially with respect to that situation or that person. We are so blind, we become so blindfolded, maybe in love or maybe in that connection or whatsoever it is, that we don't see, we ignore those red flags, and then universe and these divine energies also say, now let me show you, and then you're gone. So please see this point of view also. Being into spiritual field, I am giving you this view also, a spiritual view also, that in past maybe you have experienced something like this, and isliye now you're being too hesitant because someone is saying all those same things that this past person had. But please think, it was maybe your karma, there was a life lesson, whatsoever it is, you ignored something. You should learn from your past. You shouldn't hold on that अरे ये भी person ऐसे निकलेगा तो no. You should learn something from your past. Maybe you had ignored the red flags. This is what I'm getting a lot. So please, now you just need to stay little cautious. This is what I would say. But ज़रा भी उस गली देखना ही नहीं है, मुड़ के ही नहीं देखना है, ये ही नहीं करना है, is not the solution. Like I have seen people, like girls and guys getting betrayed in love, and they will be like, ये सब लड़के ऐसे ही होते हैं, सब लड़कियां ऐसी ही होती हैं, अब तो प्यार में पढ़ना ही नहीं, यही नहीं। अरे भाई सीखो ना भाई, learn something. Like universe didn't give you this lesson so that you shouldn't fall in love again, or so rise in love, I would say. Well, rise in love again or so. But you made some mistake, or that was your karma, or you had a life lesson, and that is why this had to happen with you. So that doesn't mean कि सब लड़के ऐसे ही होते हैं, सब लड़कियां ऐसी ही होती है, और whatsoever कि अभी तो प्यार के चक्कर में पड़ना ही नहीं है। नो गाइज, ये क्या हुआ यार, ये तो बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम बचकानी हरकत हो गई, आई वुड से। सो प्लीज़ गिव अ थॉट ऑन दिस, लाइक कि भाई कोई मतलब आपको किसी के बारे में गलत बोल रहा है, बुरा बोल रहा है, और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये पर्सन इनको अच्छे से जानता है, बट भाई डू यू इवन नो कि भाई जो आपको ये सब बोल रहा है वो उस व्यक्ति का हित चिंतक भी है कि नहीं? एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कोई आपके बारे में भी बुरा बोल रहा होगा. इन दैट केस हाउ वुड यू फील? जस्ट लेट मी नो दिस अबाउट इट. Like here, I would just want to add one thing, guys. Instead of just keeping yourself stuck, keeping that other person stuck, just go and talk to that person. Initiate it. You may later on understand that this person is not like that as it was said to us. This person is totally, you know, something different, something unique. And so, and maybe you may get a very good opportunity. Now this can be in any area of life, but not in a negative way. Mark it very well. And also you may understand, like, this is such a golden opportunity I have got, that this person came into my life and all. Like at that time, after talking to this person, you may understand that, oh, like, I was being so foolish for so many years, for being so hesitant, for not talking to this person just because someone had said something bad about this person, and so and so. You may feel that later on, isn't it? So why not try? And what I feel is, just have a friendship first. It will really help you, and then you can look for a hate thing. If you feel yes, this person does deserves more than that, you're free to go ahead. But don't keep yourself stuck or someone else stuck. Like, uh, maybe for some of them, I feel that universe may be giving you signs and you're totally ignoring it, or you're not understanding it also. Please acknowledge it. This is what I would say. Like, you may miss out a golden opportunity. Again, this thing is coming into my mind, and so I'm telling you. Okay, so do acknowledge it and work on it. If you are someone who is hesitating to initiate to someone, or you're confused, you're not understanding anything, you can make the first approach now. Do try it. So, the very one thing that I would like to, the final conclusion I want to give you in this full video is, guys, please, like, I would say that instead of staying stuck, instead of staying like, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करे, करूँ कि नहीं, being staying confused, जाओ, talk to that person. This is what I would say. Just I would say कि कुछ हाथ दूर रहो, मतलब be a friend, no. Okay, you don't have, no one is forcing you to get involved emotionally in that person or mentally in that person. When you will get to know that person, yes, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. But before that, you can stay friends with that person and you can get to know about that person. ये सीधा एक simple formula है, सीधा एक solution है. But people will waste years on staying stuck and all, और वो दूसरे व्यक्ति को भी stuck रखना है. क्या फ़ायदा है यार इसमें? लाइक, यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ कर्मा, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वुड से. एंड you have to go through it. Like, if you are creating a karma, maybe in this lifetime or in your next lifetime, you you will need to pay it off. Please mark it. And I really hope this video has helped some or the other one. If you have really understood, put a like, put a comment. It will be of great use, because from this was just a guidance, a reading that had came towards me, and I felt to make a video. So from my own words, from my own perspective and all, I tried to express it in words in this way. So do let me know about it. Thank you.